future of AI, how ChatGPT-5 will change your job, education, and daily life. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's transforming our world. The future of AI, specifically how ChatGPT-5 and similar tools will impact our jobs, education, and daily lives. AI technologies like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and Google Bard are leading tech discussions, and for good reason. They're changing how we work, learn, and interact. But with these advancements come important questions about ethics, risks, and productivity. Let's explore these aspects together. AI in the workplace. First, how is AI reshaping our jobs? Many fear it will replace workers, but the reality is nuanced. While some roles may become automated, new opportunities will emerge. Job transformation. AI can handle repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on creative aspects. ChatGPT-5 can assist in drafting reports and answering queries, enhancing productivity. Skill development. As AI takes over mundane tasks, there's a growing demand for skills like emotional intelligence and critical thinking. Embracing AI means adapting and upskilling to stay relevant. AI in education. Next, let's explore education. AI has the potential to revolutionize how we learn. Personalized learning. Imagine a classroom where each student receives tailored lessons. ChatGPT-5 can provide personalized tutoring, making education more equitable. Teacher support. AI can also assist teachers by handling administrative tasks, allowing them to engage more with students. Daily life and AI. Finally, let's look at AI's influence on our daily lives. From smart home devices to virtual assistants, AI is integral to how we live. Convenience and productivity. AI tools streamline tasks, scheduling, managing emails, and more, saving time and enhancing productivity. Ethical considerations. However, with power comes responsibility. We must consider ethical implications like data privacy and algorithmic bias. Privacy and security. AI systems require vast data, raising questions about information use and protection. Bias and fairness. If not managed, AI can perpetuate biases. It's crucial to develop fair and inclusive systems. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of AI, particularly with advancements like ChatGPT-5, holds immense potential to change how we work, learn, and live. While benefits are clear, enhanced productivity and personalized education, we must remain vigilant about ethical dilemmas. By understanding these challenges, we can harness AI's power responsibly. Embrace the changes, invest in your skills, and actively shape the future of AI. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this discussion insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on AI and its impact on our lives. Let's navigate this exciting journey together.